Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra Solution. Today we have to see this exponential algebraic problem. So let's start the solution. Now we will start this 3 raised to power x equal to x raised to power 9. So we have to divide both sides by 1 raised to the power x. 3 raised to power x divide 1 upon x is equal to x raised to power 9 raised to the power 1 upon x. Now here we have to multiply this one. We will apply here a raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. This formula we will apply here. Now 3 raised to the power x into 1 upon x equal to x raised to the power 9 into 1 upon x. Now we can solve this. Here x will be cancelled, so we get here 3 equal to 9 into 1, that is x raised to power 9 by x. Now 3 raised to the power 1 by 9 equal to x raised to the power 9 by x raised to the power 1 by 9 implies that here also we will apply this formula. This formula we will apply here also. So 3 raised to the power 1 by 9 equal to x raised to the power 9 by x into 1 by 9. So here 9 will be cancelled. What we get here then? 3 raised to the power 1 by 9 equal to x raised to the power 1 by x. Here 1 by 9 and here 1 by x. So here x reciprocal is 1 by x, but here is not. So we can write here 3 raised to the power 1 into 1 by 9 is equal to x raised to the power 1 by x. So here in place of 1 we write 3 raised to the power 3 by 3 into 1 by 9 equal to x raised to the power 1 by x. So here 3 by 3 equal to 1. We have put here 3 by 3 equal to 1. Now we write here 3 raised to the power 3 by 27 equal to x raised to the power 1 by x. Take here 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 1 by 27 equal to x raised to the power 1 by x. So here we write cube of 3 is 27 raised to the power 1 by 27 equal to x raised to the power 1 by x. Now we got here values. X is equal to 27 and 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 27. So value of x is overall value of x is 27. Okay, let's verify that 3 raised to power x is equal to x raised to power 9. Now put the value of x is x equal to 27 here in the given exponential equation. So what we get here, see here, put here 3 raised to power 27 equal to 27 raised to power 9. So how we can write this? Right hand side, how we can write 3 cube raised to the power 9. Here we write 3 raised to the power 27. Now how we can write this? 3 raised to the power 27 equal to, here use which formula we will use here, a raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. This formula we will use here. 3 raised to the power 3 multiply 9, that is 3 raised to the power 27 equal to 3 raised to the power 27. So both sides are equal. So value of x equal to 27 is verified here. So value of x is equal to 27. This value is verified. So let's recap this. See this. If you are new on the channel, so subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the whole video. Here value of x equal to 27 value we have got. Thank you.